The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good evening, everyone. It was pretty warm out there. We got to 91 degrees in downtown Roanoke. Lynchburg got to 93. Danville 95. So some spots a little bit warmer than others, but nowhere near what we saw this past weekend with temperatures reaching the triple digits in some of our eastern counties. Now, today wasn't as warm, but tomorrow is going to be warmer, and then Wednesday is going to be even warmer. And then by Thursday, we'll be dealing with yet another cold front that will be passing through. So similar scenario for what we saw today, expected on our Thursday and even on our Friday. Drought monitor showing abnormally dry conditions scattered about the East Coast, even into the Ohio River Valley and the Tennessee Valley. Now, you do see a little bit of brown here on the map. That is a moderate drought that we're currently under. We really haven't seen much rain in the last 7 to 10 days. The only showers that we saw came yesterday afternoon into the evening in and around parts of Lynchburg, primarily to the south into Pittsylvania and Halifax counties. You notice just north and east of Martinsville, they saw about 3/4 of an inch of rain, 1 inch of rain right along the Charlotte and Halifax County line, and then just north of South Boston, about 1 inch of rain fell. Everywhere else, pretty much all in the clear of the rain. So certainly going to need some of that as we head into this week, as that drought is going to progressively get worse and worse if we don't. Skycam Network 76 currently in Wytheville, 87 for Martinsville. Blacksburg is currently at 82. And Roanoke at 86 with mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. Some temperatures like out at the airport still at 90 degrees. Lynchburg at 90. Danville and South Boston 93 and 91. How does the air feel outside though? Well, it's a little bit comfortable. Dew point, or the measure of the amount of moisture in the air, only about 55, and it's pretty far off from our actual temperature. So the farther and the more disparity there is between our temperature and our dew point temperature means that the air is feeling a little bit drier. So it's a little bit comfortable out there this evening. It's going to stay comfortable this evening as temperatures are going to be in the mid 80s through 8 p.m. with a light breeze at times, and then we're back down into the 70s shortly after sunset. By the time we get to the morning, around 6-7 a.m. tomorrow, kicking off our Tuesday, Wytheville wakes up with temperatures around 54 degrees. Covington, Pulaski at 55, Rocky Mount 64, and Floyd at 57. That big old heat dome out towards the west starts to build further and further to the east this week. So Tuesday and Wednesday look to be the hottest days this week, capping off at 93 and 97 degrees. Also tracking the potential for some rain starting off on our Wednesday. Notice the chance for some isolated showers being a little bit sporadic. Flow primarily out of the south, driving that warmer air. Once we get into early hours of Thursday, we could see that cold front build through, and on top of it, isolated to scattered showers could develop through the afternoon, potentially even some storms at times as well. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Temperatures remain at least at 90 degrees or above during the day, and overnight lows anywhere from 65 to 70 degrees.